I am traveling all over the country, presenting the segment Traveling with the Brazilian Burger. I have visited many regions and experienced incredible stories, experiencing the culture of Manaus, the capital of Amazonas. And I created a hamburger using pirarucu fish meat. In the hinterlands of Bahia, as Afobaisi, I was moved by the simplicity of the countryside people and made a hamburger inspired by jerked beef with pumpkin. I was enchanted by the natural beauties of Pipa in Rio Grande do Norte, where I made a hamburger with crab meats. The goal of this project is to travel through all Brazilian states, creating burger recipes inspired by the typical dishes of each region, and also showing a bit of the history and culture, the culture of the places I visit, encouraging tourism.